What's up, my skibbity gang?
Bro. That was
What?
not a very sigma. What am I doing with my life? I just do see your shadows in my room. Can't feel like. Gun. Wake up. Why aren't you talking?
Cheese.
Crazy. No, I found this is one meme. It's called "How are you doing that?" Bang bang bang. Bro really said he looking like the day alpha. What the hell?
No, look at the username of this guy, though.
Bro, what is that name? Cheesy
Cheesy balls. Okay. I think we also have to. Okay. Let's teleport to the tower at the same time. In 3, 2, 1.
Oh my god, we went to the tower. Dun 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 dun
Little bro thinks he's peppino.
You're not the noise.
No, I'm the choice.
You don't make deals.
Well, then make a choice.
No. I don't. What if I don't want to make a choice?
Well, then I'm gonna lose my job.
Womp womp.
Yum yum. Let me put this stuff in my bag.
What is that? That looks like SCP-096.
That looks like you.
Oh my gosh. You shut. But that actually scared me.
How about it?
You're not noisy calling to pick up the phone. I am the. What do I was gonna.
Did you hear that?
Yes, I heard that.
Don't be such a baby. You just have to be brave like me sometimes.
Someone called you a man baby.
Meow meow.
Yo, there's food up here. Eh.
Well, of course your payback wants the food.
Shut the fuck.
Hear that?
Yes. Don't be such a little baby. I eat it.
Mama man baby.
Oh, bub. Okay. Let's go down. Backflip.
Aw, you're alive.
Mods ban that guy.
Did you hear that?
No shit.
It sounded like it's like right there.
I heard it like right there.
I think we're cooked, Peppino.
I heard it right there.
For me, I heard it coming from there.
Right there.
Mine is over there.
Mine's over there.
Let's just go back.
Be sure. Oh.
Damn, bro, your big back getting tired of running already? I mean, I'm not surprised. Dude, my Wendigo is closer than ever. Is your Wendigo getting louder? Peppino?
I think.
Bro, is your Wendigo getting louder whenever it screeches?
Yes. I'm going.
Wait, what if the Wendigo can't go upstairs?
Then we're good.
Bro's running for his life. Let's just stay up here. Dude, I'm scared. We're about to die and you're just dancing.
I'm out of nice.
just watching the scares because I'm horrified. You can come anywhere.
I can't see. This is my phone. I saw this wonder video back in the day. I saw like someone drop their phone as recording.
A
and it,
vector?
like, boom. Boom.
I mean, I haven't heard him screeching in a while. Have you?
Not me. I think my phone landed.
I'm kind of scared. What? You dropped your phone down there? Well, I still have my phone. I did too. I think they're broken.
Bro, mine said cut my
Well,
life
that's
into
fine.
pieces and it's broken now.
Do you see your Wendigo?
No.
Me neither. Should we go down?
No.
Do you hear yours? I just heard mine.
No. Ooh. It's actually giving me chills.
Come on, Italian man, don't be a baby.
Hey kid, it's me, Peppino Spaghetti, your favorite character. I need you to come and help me stop
Actually,
Peppermint
I'm better. Shoot, I think mine's coming. I hear it so clear.
Mine's not, because I'm sick. What am I doing?
Go ahead. Go ahead, Italian man. Finish it. Finish the word. Do it or else, I'll make you drink this special milk.
Sigma! Hold on, do you see this door closing? Hold on. Yes, do you see that closing?
I have to close it myself.
Alright, close this door. Did you close the door? Close the door. Close. No. Shit. Let's get over here. Close this door.
Okay, I did.
Alright, that's it.
Hey kid, it's me, Peppino Spaghetti, your favorite character. I need you to come and help me stop Peppermint and the noise. They're up to no good again, and I need your help. Come on and open the door and step outside. Davo and Rick are outside in my car. You can come and meet them.
I heard my dude. My gosh.
I hear mine at the top of the cliff now.
Now you're cooked.
How's it gonna get down the cliff? Break all its bones? You should probably do that.
It's Bone Lab, of course.
Bone lab? What does bone lab have to do with breaking bones?
You can break a bone.
You know, I think we should go down there and stop running from. Actually, we should go down there and continue running from them. Like men.
Okay.
Wait for me. I'm too short, okay? I can't open the door. You know, I was thinking. We got it.
No. Nope.
Mine is coming.
Nope. No seat. No, you don't want the seat.
Take me, sweet death. You broke my bones, you big back.
Oh my gosh, we have to go, 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 we have to go.
I agree, we have to go.
We have to go. Oh no, I don't mind. I think it's at the freaking tower.
Do you? Good thing we left when we did.
Yeah. Pizza, pasta, put them in a bun. Grill it, cook it, Yo, where do we go? Where do we go now? Where do we go?
I kind of want to see what the wind go. I'm choking on popcorn.
I see mine, I see mine. I see mine. Run, run.
I don't, but I don't want to see
I see mine. I need to run, I need to run, I need to run. He's chasing me! Oh my gosh! Mama God, he's so close! Died! Oh no, I died! I died. I died.
Dude, I didn't. I got too scared, so I respawned.
I know. I died.
Does he have a jump scare?
No.
Okay, good.
This is not the Bella Chase. Pizza, pasta, put them in a bun. Really? let's go back to the tower.
I don't hear mine, and that makes me scared.
It's because you have hearing aids. You have hearing aids.
Man, well, at least I didn't almost get beat to death by a big pizza head.
It's just gonna get scared, totally.
I'm a legend. Legend.
Okay, we're back at the pizza tower. You know what? Hold up. This game is kind of boring. Let's both pause our videos and then we. Italian purple man guy, where are we?
Bendy!
Let's not go there.
Okie dokie. Oh.
Hey, look at door. Belgian Otto, I'm a legend, Thanos.
I'm a legend.
I'm a legend. Begin.
Hey kid, it's me,
Why does that actually sound like the background though?
Hey kid,
Continue.
it's me, Peppino Spaghetti, your
A door. Chip maker. Bendy. So this is a
Where are
bit
we?
different. This is like the same thing. The game.
Where
Little
the
dark.
are we?
I don't know.
We got the freaky Inside Out Bendy song before GTA 6. Hold up.
Hold on. I gotta open the door. I'm about to burst the door with my heavy weight.
Damn, what you can do by just jumping in front of the door.
I can't. Now I'm One Punch Man because I'm strong. And you're tiny man.
Yeah.
You're tiny baby man.
And you're Queso Junior.
No, I'm Heavy Junior. I'm a Heavy Junior. Oh no.
Let's go say hi to Boromir.
Oh.
Big
This is
yeah.
actually disgusting.
Ooh.
That thing. We don't. Okay, now but we don't go there. I found a book. I found
We have
it.
to collect the
I
items.
found it. I found it.
It's a randomized for everybody.
Oh. Bruh. This game isn't actually good. What am I doing? Noise? Noise is calling, pick up phone. Noise is calling, pick up phone. I know you can hear this. Noise is calling, pick up phone. Oh, he's near. Because he's right here. And you.
You're just mad that Peppino isn't calling.
Get out!
Joey's a madman. He's had me install these little pedestals in the break room.
You shut.
Oh yeah. To the Elsa people that are watching mine and Charles's videos, subscribe to us or we'll eat your pet alien.
Yeah. I've been jumping for days.
Peppino's body was his forehead, then I mean he would be an alien.
I heard that.
You didn't hear that.
I heard that. You're not the slick. I'm onto you.
Okay, I have everything. I just need the plushie.
I don't have anything. What the heck?
You're bad.
Shut the fuck. Where the fuck? I'm about to go out of character.
Oh my god, you've broken all of my bones. Okay, hold up. Charles, Peppino, come here.
What? What?
Okay, there could be something like right here. There could be something right here.
No. I don't see
There
anything.
could be something in this corner.
No. I tried opening every single door.
There could be something like up here or down here. There could be something here.
But I can't find anything about this. I'm gonna kill myself. Noise.
Mm-hmm.
Have you seen about the Trump accident? Anyways,
The what?
nothing. Is this what I need? No. Oh my gosh. Finally, I found something. Oh no.
Can you pick it
I
up?
found a candy plush. And
Pick it up. Pick it up. Pick it
I
up.
did it.
Finally,
trying to
Big
get
Back
this
pick up
paint.
something.
I got more
That's
than you.
impossible. I'm already done. I have everything.
No.
Yeah.
How do you collect this? Is this
That
even in
paint
a
is kind of
collectible?
impossible. That paint is impossible to get for PC players.
Then I can't get anything.
Okay, then just rejoin or something.
Okay. Dun, 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 dun.
And then your items will probably be somewhere easier.
Pause time. Bippity boppity. Guys, totally ending that I could ever do. Totally. I totally did it.
Yeah, Charles.
Yes?
Okay, well you're collecting all of them.
I can collect
Text me on
this
Discord.
for some reason. What?
You might have to get bigger or collect it at a different angle. Not that big, just big enough so you can get it. I'm gonna, once you collect all your stuff, I'm gonna be sitting in a corner because I'm gonna make a new sound.
Okay. You guys totally did that. Totally.
Just text me on Discord when you're done.
Yeah, okay. You guys totally did that. Yes, sir. Now this seems impossible. Every good boy deserves fun. Do 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 do. So scary. No way I can pick this up. Oh my god! Oh my gosh, bro. Better go full on rage. I'm gonna put this.
Joey's a madman. He's had most all these little pedestals. But then why do we need all this ink if we're not making cartoons?
Oh, I found it. I'm kidding. Oh, hold on. Finally. I got it. Yes, sir. Oh yeah, right there. Oh yeah. I just need to find a third plushie. found you. You're taking your leg. I'm onto you. Doesn't it go like this? Or not? Where do I get the freaking... Oh no. I think I'm cooked. Oh no. Is it in your chest? No. I still can't find this good wrench. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Sean, do you like oh no?
Joey's a madman.
Oh
He's had me install these little pedestals in the break room. And he keeps
no. You guys heard.
getting closer.
Anyways. I checked everything. There's nothing there. I'm about to go out of character, bro. Every day I'm tripping. Dude, I got everything. I got everything finally. That took like 5,000 years. I'm old now. My back cracked.
What?
I finally got everything.
Italian man.
It's gonna get even worse and worse.
Italian man. Catch me if you can. Oh, here comes the noise. There's for a second shot. Nothing hypes up a beast on my crazy pizza pot.
Shut the fuck up.
Hey, Italian man. Catch me if you can.
Oh, that's sick.
Italian man. Italian man. Hey, Italian man, catch me if you can. Oh, here comes the noise. There's for a second shot. Nothing hypes up a beast on my crazy pizza pot. It's been a little while, but I can't wait to see the grand return of my show on the end of this road, the Candid TV.
This isn't the time of noise. Back up on out.
Aw, keep on stressing, big guy. It's bad for your health. Everybody, raise your voice. Got a simple choice. You want free vengeance? Come gather around and watch me go drink this down. You're gonna love the sound. We keep chugging like an engine, guys. Enjoy and make some
Make some noise. Make some noise. Make some noise. If you want to keep on fighting, make some noise.
Skibbity, skibbity, hop to a...
Here, click this. Click flow or else, I'll throw you off a bridge. Alright, good. Come here.
Hey, Italian man. Catch me if you can.
Big Jim.
Big Jim. Remember Big Jim? I had to remember the Big Jim.
Hey, Italian man. Catch me if you can.
Okay, so for this part, you're gonna actually need to run for your life, okay? You're going to need to run for your life.
I know how to play this game.
Hey, look, it's a wheelchair. You need this.
Bro, shut
So your
up.
big back doesn't break anything.
Bro, shut up. I just lost my axe. I lost my axe.
How did you lose the axe?
I threw it right down here.
Why did you think that would be a good idea?
I tried getting it at the right. I tried doing it at this, like, right thing.
Pizza's you're an idiot.
I wanna make it straight. Instead of making my face do No, that's it. I'm going up. Wait a minute. Oh. Now what do I do?
Can you see my axe?
You can put them
No.
anywhere. You can put them right under your desk and have
Can
Becky watch
it,
what you're drawing.
I guess I'll put my axe down. I'm kidding.
I have a great feeling that my hard-working team is also gonna love them.
That's gonna be
Man,
stupid.
what do we do?
No.
I guess it's time for a scene change since this idiot lost his axe.
Shut the fuck. Since you said that, I'm telling.
That was the end of my alpha video.
Yeah.
This guy isn't very Sigma. He kind of stinky.
Shut your ass up.
I ended my video, so let's give it a